Hello there, fellow stranger. أنا اسمي عبادي, and I'm going to walk you through a few snippets of my life here in London as a medical student. I like to start off my days by working out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's crack on with the workout.
I'm on my prime, I'm feeling like Steph. I get my shot and I promise it's wet. Waited too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my bag, just want me to check. Cable was mine, I ain't taking less. I told them all I'm as real as it gets. Shippy as shit, dog, I'm cutting the net.
Okay, we have just finished the session. This feels incredible. Even if it's 25 minutes, 30 minutes of your day, exercise, man. Do it. If you haven't done it before, if you feel like you cut off, and trust me, it's just a start. When you get into the rhythm of going to the gym, even if it's only for 15 minutes, it will change your life. Okay, guys? Now let's shower, get changed, and go to the cafe. Then I'm really excited to show you.
Instead of hope in the light of its moon, my mind keeps searching from my heart inside. Thoughts can be cruel, they're not mine to own.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for that.
Some rebels when you let go.
أنا أكتر إشي بحبه إنه أجيب كاسة قهوة، أدرس مكان زي هاد، يكون الجو بجنن زي هيك، يا سلام عليك. Now at the moment we don't have a lot of things to go through. It's a chill day. So what I normally do is go on question banks like PassMed and work my way through a couple of questions. Normally spend around, this will sound crazy, 45 minutes or an hour on each question, because let's say I'm studying something about the heart, then I'll be like, okay, what was that again? Let me go through it, let me refresh my mind. Then I go back to the question. So medicine is not about, seeing just one thing. Medicine is thinking in an eagle's eye perspective. Please enjoy some clips of me pretending that I'm studying, even though I'm scribbling nothing on the paper.
We have finished our first session, or last session of study. Today's a calm, relaxing day, so I don't want to spend too much time studying. And we're going to show you around the city. Never get used to this, actually, when you film in public. I think part of breaking that is just doing it over and over again. It's much better than I used to. I used to suffer with this. It used to be much harder for me. At least I can hold the camera out and record my fellow strangers. اكتبوا لي بالكومنتات تحت. Where are you watching me from? Are you watching me? I love to see that. I love to see that people are watching me from Spain, from Egypt, from Hong Kong, from Nepal. Anyways, so we're gonna show you around, guys. Yeah.
Up and hit the road, searching high and low. Never can tell, you never really know.
I'm just so anxious because I don't want anyone to snatch my camera and run.
I need you to come around.
الله نور كل الحيط هذا في هون Thank you.
The angles on me.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to edit for a bit. Instagram videos. Click the link in the description and go watch me on Instagram. I make some small videos here and there. I hope Allah blesses every single one of you. As always, Assalamu alaikum.